You have probably wondered why so many men are losing years of their lives without even realizing it. Most people think they already know the answer. They think of alcohol, stress, bad decisions. But here is what almost no one notices. Some of the most dangerous habits do not look dangerous at all. They are silent, common, and part of everyday life. In fact, there is one behavior so normal, so widely accepted, that it can steal up to 12 years of a man's life without any obvious warning signs. And the most unsettling part, you have probably done it today. In this video, you will discover the 5 habits that are silently shortening men's lives and why alcohol, although harmful, is only number 5. But stay until the end, because habit number 1 is the most ignored and the most destructive of all. The average life expectancy of men is significantly lower than that of women. And it is not just because of extreme choices or reckless moments. The real causes are far more subtle. They are hidden in routines, in repeated behaviors, in small decisions that feel harmless but accumulate over time. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Look at things as they truly are." And that is exactly what we are about to do, not to create fear, but to create awareness. Because for the Stoics, every transformation begins with clarity. Habit 5. Alcohol. Many expect alcohol to be at the top of the list. Its effects are well known. And yes, it is harmful. But the issue is not only how much you drink, it is how you drink. Fast, concentrated drinking, and especially on weekends, puts intense pressure on the body. The liver cannot keep up, recovery does not happen, and over time the damage builds, sleep quality drops, energy fades, anxiety increases. The body slowly enters a cycle of silent deterioration. Epictetus taught that a man who cannot govern his habits is governed by them. And that is the key. It is not about never drinking. It is about not losing control without realizing it. Habit 4. Chronic stress. Not the stress of a single difficult moment, but the kind that never leaves. Constant pressure, a restless mind, a body stuck in survival mode. This is not just emotional, it is biological. The body begins to function like an overloaded machine, running at full capacity without rest. Blood pressure rises, sleep becomes fragmented, the immune system weakens. And the most dangerous part? Many men think this is normal. Seneca warned, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Much of this weight comes from within, unprocessed thoughts, suppressed emotions. And here is the truth most men avoid. Strength is not carrying everything alone. Strength is knowing when to release what is breaking you from the inside. Before we continue, if this content is already making you reflect, subscribe to Stoic Spring. By doing that, you begin building the habit of taking care of your mind, protecting your inner peace, and growing into a more grounded and disciplined man. Habit 3. Social isolation. This one is incredibly silent. It does not happen suddenly, it happens gradually. Fewer messages, fewer meetings, fewer real conversations, until one day your circle is almost gone. And this is not just about loneliness. Human connection regulates the body. It reduces inflammation. It stabilizes emotions. It strengthens overall health. Without it, everything starts to decline. The Stoics were never advocates of isolation. They valued independence, but also understood the importance of relationships. Seneca said, "Without a friend, you cannot live fully." And the truth is simple. No man was built to carry life alone. Habit 2. Sleep deprivation. This is one of the most normalized mistakes in modern life. Treating sleep as optional. Staying up late to do more, to gain time, to handle everything. But the body does not negotiate. While you sleep, it repairs itself. The brain clears toxins, hormones rebalance, the heart slows down. When this is interrupted, the damage begins. Mental clarity fades, physical performance drops, emotional stability weakens. And the most dangerous part is adaptation. A man thinks he is functioning fine, while operating far below his true capacity. Sleep is not a luxury, it is survival. Habit. Sitting. This is the most common, the most overlooked, and the most dangerous habit of all, because it does not feel like a problem. Sitting feels like rest. It feels like productivity. It feels normal. But the human body was not designed for stillness. When you sit for long periods, everything slows down. Circulation decreases, metabolism drops, muscles weaken, and over time the body begins to deteriorate. No pain, no warning, just silent decline. Marcus Aurelius understood this well. The body is not just a container, it is the instrument of your life, and when that instrument weakens, everything weakens with it. The solution is not extreme, it is simple. Move more, stand up, walk, break long periods of stillness. Small actions, repeated daily, because the body responds quickly when you give it what it needs. Now look at the full picture. None of these habits destroy your life instantly. They do it slowly, so gradually that you barely notice, until one day, the cost appears. The Stoics practice something called memento mori. Remember that you will die, not to create fear, but to create clarity, because when you understand your time is limited, you start living with intention. You make better choices, and that is what changes everything. You do not need to fix your entire life today, but you can start with one decision. Stand up now, sleep better tonight. Reach out to someone who matters. Small changes that transform your future. If this video made you think, if it helped you see something you were ignoring, subscribe to Stoic Spring, because here you build the habit of strengthening your mind, protecting your inner peace, and becoming a better man every single day. And remember, life does not change in big moments, it changes in small choices, repeated daily.